Now, what you're gonna want to do is put the loppers, the teeth of them, on the bottom of the stem right there. I want to actually cut beneath the soil. I want to cut it beneath the soil. I get the whole plant out. Is because we leave the roots in the ground. What's in the soil that eats the roots?
The worms.
That's right. So we want that. We want the life in the soil. So we gotta leave the roots. But we can get rid of the plants and we can do things to start to prepare this bed for the springtime. Hold on, get lower. About right there. Get it there around the neck of it, right? You got it tight? Now squeeze it. Squeeze it hard. Keep going. Keep going. Let me see your muscle. Woo! You're strong too. You got it though. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. That was easy. Just strong guy. All right, go ahead. Let me see what you got. Good job. That was work right there. Good job. You see that? You're strong.